So I was driving around today and, I noticed there was a lot of really great sales, pants that I was kind of looking for and some really great grocery sales. But, I got to thinking about it. I saw some other for sale signs too. I saw a lot of real estate for sale signs. Thinking maybe it'd be better to use my credit to buy something that's going to bring income or something that'll have value in the future. So when I'm driving around looking for great deals, it's not that I'm looking for great deals on the next pair of pants. It's that I'm looking for great deals that are going to bring me an impact here, now, and in the future. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Lauren Dolgero, aka The Solutionist. I help people to restore and to remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big purchases their family needs to grow. Make sure that you like and subscribe to me, The Solutionist, and Total Solution Trust. You don't want to miss out on anything we have coming forth on how to restore your credit and how to bring new sources of income. Until next time.